Now the same concept was case 3. What is the case 3? If applied force is greater than limiting friction. If applied force is greater than limiting friction, what happens? This block is in motion. Okay? This block is in motion. Whenever the block is in motion, here friction is kinetic friction. Here kinetic friction formula mu k into n and mu k into n value mg. It is the coefficient of kinetic friction. It is the coefficient of it is the kinetic friction value mu k into normal reaction, that equal to mg. Now, what is net force for a motion of block? Okay, already if applied force greater than limiting friction, so we know this block is in motion. Now, what is net force on this block? In this way, along vertical there is no motion. Along vertical there is normal reaction balances weight. So these two are balanced each other. Okay, but with applied force greater than limiting friction, this block is in motion. For motion of block, and for motion of block, what is net force on this block? Net force value applied force minus kinetic friction. Okay, applied force minus kinetic friction is equal to MA. Okay, boss. Net force on this block, applied force ఒకటి, backside kinetic friction. Net force value of the applied force minus kinetic friction, which is equal to MA. Okay, boss. Now, applied force minus kinetic friction. What is kinetic friction? Mu k into mg is equal to MA. Remember this formula here. Whenever the block is in motion, what is net force, boss? Applied force minus Fk is equal to Ma. It is net force. Net force equal to Ma. Applied force minus mu kmg equal to Ma. A is acceleration of block. So here this block is accelerating. Once the body start the motion, it is accelerate. Remember this point, important. Applied force minus kinetic friction is a net force. This net force equal to Ma from Newton's second law. Okay. Here one more. The next case 4. Listen, minimum force needed to move the block is applied. Minimum force needed to move the block is applied. What is that meaning, boss? To move the block, what is the minimum force? That force should be equal to how much? To move the block, what is the minimum force? That force should be equal to limiting friction. If block start cheyalante, what is the minimum force, boss? If block motion start cheyalante, what is the minimum force? That force should be equal to limiting friction. Okay, boss? Minimum force required, I am writing here, minimum force, note down, minimum force required to move the block is applied. And what is the applied force, boss? What is the applied force? Minimum force. And minimum force required to move the block is applied. And we are applying, what is the minimum force? That force. That applied force equal to what? Limiting friction. Okay. Applied force equal to what? That force, this applied force value is equal to this maximum static friction. Okay. And the minimum force required to move the block is applied. And the applied force how much? What is minimum force? Limiting friction. Okay. The same force is continued even after the motion started. Here, same force is continued. Even after the motion is started. Okay, boss? అంటే minimum force needed to move the block is applied and same force is continued even after the motion started. అదే ఫోర్స్ ని we are continued even after the motion started. ఈ బ్లాక్ మోషన్ స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత కూడా we are applying the same force. Okay, and what is the applied force was here? Once the motion start అయిన తర్వాత ఏ ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఉంటుంది? Current friction. What we are applying force here? What is the applied force here? That applied force is equal to limiting friction. So here in this equation, block motion lo unte, whenever the block is in motion, it is the equation boss. Remember here, whenever the block is in motion, applied force minus mu k mg equal to ma. Okay, what is applied force? Is equal to limiting friction. The limiting friction minus mu k mg is equal to ma. Limiting friction minus mu k mg equal to ma. What is limiting friction was? Mu s mg minus mu k mg is equal to ma. Mm cancel. Therefore, what is acceleration? Here acceleration is equal to mu s minus mu k into g. Here acceleration is equal to mu s minus mu k into g. Okay. Now limiting friction is mu s mg minus mu k mg equal to ma. Both sides mass cancel. Therefore, acceleration of the block, this block acceleration is a is equal to mu s minus mu k into g. ఈ కండిషన్ లో acceleration block ఏమవుతుంది బాస్? mu s minus mu k into mg. Okay. So we have problems in our material under this formula. And a minimum force needed to move the block is applied. Same force continued even after the motion started. In that concept, what is the acceleration of this block? This block acceleration A is equal to mu s minus mu k into g. So this is the concept. If applied force less than friction, block is rest down. If applied force equal to limiting friction, block ready to slide. If applied force greater than limiting friction, block is in motion. For motion of block, applied force minus kinetic friction equal to ma. If a minimum force applied to move the block is applied and the same force continued even after the motion started. Now, what is the acceleration formula? Mu s minus mu k into g. Okay, note down this all. This is about the motion of a block on rough horizontal surface. The motion of a block on rough surface.